Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money using this website on autopilot. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. This is where the majority of your money will be made. They claim to provide a larger, better, stronger, faster, and safer way to make money online. It is available all across the world and is entirely free. You'll be compensated for each file that you upload to this platform. So you better upload some files. They advertise them to their users and you get paid every time someone downloads that free file you uploaded to this website, which may be any file you choose. You'll make more money if you submit more files, and I'll show you which files we'll be posting and where you can get them for free for the best results. Now, they're paying you because when someone goes to this website's download button and attempts to download one of your files, they'll be directed to an ad landing page first. They will be presented with advertising that they can choose to ignore, following which they will be able to download the file you have uploaded. As a result, this platform splits ad revenue with you and both you and this platform profit from the ads. That isn't really relevant to you right now. The fact that you can post files and make money is all that counts to you. It's as simple as that. I'll walk you through the process step by step. If we go to earn money right now part, we can see that for every 1,000 downloads on your file, you get paid up to $16 and cash out from this website. To be paid out, you must have at least 25 downloads. So once you have 25, which is less than 3,000, you can spend the money on whatever you choose. You can now refer your friends and relatives to our website if you want to make even more money with it. You can tell someone about this opportunity if you know someone who wants to make some extra money online. Here's my referral link if you're interested. You can sign up for daily uploads and receive upload pages, as well as send your referral link to them. You may also get money by sharing it on social media platforms like Facebook groups and other websites. In reality, by referring someone and enjoying their lifetime profits, you can make some passive income. Simply by recommending them to this website, you will receive 10% of their lifetime profits, which means that if they earn $1,000, you will gain $100 without having to do anything. DailyUploads.net is the name of the website, and it can be located at dailyuploads.net. Once you've arrived at dailyuploads.net, I'd like you to register a free account by clicking the sign up button right here. Create a username for your new account, input your valid email address in this box, create a password, retype that password, and optionally provide payment details. So, if you want to get paid as soon as you finish all of these, just click the submit button right here, and you'll be a member of dailyuploads.net. If you joined up for daily uploads, you'll see something like this right now. You can either drag and drop different files and browse for files to upload by clicking here. The more you publish and share on this platform, the more money you can make because you're compensated each download. 1,000 downloads equate to around 16. It's that simple. The more downloads you get, the more money you make. But how do you get those files for free to upload to daily uploads in order to generate money and get the best results? I strongly advise you select files that will be useful to others. They'll be more likely to download them from daily uploads if you do it this way. Of course, you may now upload other materials like PDF files, ebooks, courses, and other critical information that you found online and put into a Word document. It's also possible to use the document you just uploaded. Pexels, which can be found at pexels.com, is what I prefer to use. This is a website where you can get free stock photos and films, and while not many people are aware of it, the files on Pexels.com can be very useful. They're free for everyone, so go to Pexels.com, click on videos right here to download and use thousands of different stock videos for free. Plus, you'll have full license to do whatever you want with them without attribution to the author. So if I want to find business videos, I can go to the search bar and type in business. Then hit the search button and it will bring up all of these videos that I can use. If I find something interesting like this high quality video, I can simply click on it and click the free download button right here. It's as simple as that. I'm ready to use the film now and I've downloaded it to my computer. Everything was entirely free and it only took a few seconds. You simply discover a movie you like or one that interests you. For example, if I wanted anything related to success, I would go to the success category and look for something intriguing such as this one. Then click the free download option and it would be downloaded to my computer. Pexels.com makes it simple to access a range of videos. And you can literally get 1,000 professional stock videos there, which is insane. All you have to do now is go back to dailyuploads.net and click the explore option right here, which will take you to the folder where the videos you previously downloaded to your PC can be found. Let's say I want to upload this one. I'll just double click it and choose start upload. I'll wait a few seconds and the file will be successfully uploaded to dailyuploads.net. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and switch on the notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Now, here's a URL that I may share with others, and even if I don't, Daily Uploads will give us free traffic from their own users because they obviously want us to profit. They profit when we profit, so they'll bring you some free traffic. If you don't want to wait and want to get the most out of your time, simply copy this URL and put it wherever you wish. You may just share it since the more people who download the PDF through your link, the more money you will earn. The best part is that people who download the file don't have to pay anything, buy anything, or sign up for anything. All they have to do is ignore the advertisements and download a fully free file that you have provided, and you'll be reimbursed. As a result, they will incur no costs and you will incur no costs at all. The following are some of the places where you can distribute those files. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube are just a few of those places where you may share your daily uploads link. YouTube is an excellent place to promote your links. To find different forums, you can also utilize Pinterest and findaforum.net. Findaforum.net is a fully free network that connects you to hundreds of thousands of individuals in tens of thousands of different forums. As a result, you can join those forums, start a discussion, and either give them your link or educate them about it. You can get some free stock video by clicking on this page. It's entirely free to avoid those ads, and they'll enjoy it because you're giving them free files to download in seconds. You're also thankful since you're making money. All of this takes roughly 30 seconds to finish. Simply search for files to download and post to dailyuploads.net on Google. If you don't want to rely entirely on dailyuploads.net traffic and want to maximize your results and earn a lot more money, I strongly advise you to check out this software, which will effectively do all of the work for you and generate you limitless free traffic in under 29 seconds. Simply connect to the software, paste your links, and the software will promote them for you. This isn't simply for the links to dailyuploads.net. By marketing your affiliate links, you can generate affiliate sales. You can promote CPA links, YouTube channel connections, or anything else you want. It is an excellent piece of software. This is the newest traffic generating technology. Get free buyer traffic on autopilot, which means they won't just click on your link. It'll be genuine free buyer traffic. It's ideal for novice with no prior experience because all you have to do is put it up in a few minutes and then paste your URL. The best thing is that you'll either get results from these services such as traffic, or they'll pay you $250 out of their own pocket, which is incredible. This traffic and flawed autopilot software aren't fully free, but it isn't hundreds of dollars either. In fact, if you utilize the link in the description, you can get it in less than $30 and get lifetime access, which means you may use it for as long as you want and send unlimited traffic to any URL you choose. You don't have to promote dailyuploads.net links exclusively. You can promote affiliate links, CPA links, and whatever else you like. The population is getting older. It has already proven to be successful, as you can see by clicking the first link in the description below. So that's how you can finish everything in under 29 seconds and earn money while you sleep. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss any future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.